everyone. Good evening to you, and thank you for joining us here on Mississippi Live. I'm Emily Leonard. Sarsonic Technologies out of Texas is now testing its larger Marauder-class vessels near Gulfport, just like this one. This is an AI-powered autonomous boat, and it is a really big one. The company will use a 30,000 square foot facility at the Port of Gulfport for final testing on water trials. The CEO says Gulfport shipbuilding history made it the right spot for testing. You can see how big these boats are. Look how tiny all of the people are in that photo. Speaking of photos, Mississippi U.S. Senator Roger Wicker, who is also the chair of the Armed Services Committee, was a part of the announcement. There he is in the picture. See if I can point to him. There he is. Nailed it. He's in that photo. He thanked Sarsonic and the critical work they are doing in Mississippi and equipping our warfighters for the challenges that lie ahead. Now, these boats, as I mentioned, are big. They're 180 feet long, able to carry up to 150 metric tons and travel as far as 5,400 nautical miles. New Albany has a new sawmill operations, and with it, they're creating 50 new jobs. The Lumber Manufactory built the facility to tap into Mississippi's pine saw timber, a key reason they chose the state of Mississippi. It's a $15 million investment. The project also opens up opportunities for private landowners looking to sell timber. TLM was founded in 2023 by executives with ties to companies like Blue Origin and NVIDIA. The New Albany facility is already up and running. Loaves and Fishes and laundry detergent. The Aberdeen Loaves and Fishes Food Pantry is collecting laundry detergent this month. The pantry says the detergent can take a real bite out of a senior's grocery budget, which is why they are asking the community to pitch in. Any brand, any size, every single bottle helps. It helps a senior stretch a dollar just a little further. By the way, a big congrats to Aberdeen's Loaves and Fishes Food Pantry. They were honored with the Let Us Celebrate Award from Extra Table Feeds for their impact in the fight against hunger. They got a $1,000 donation. A big congratulations to them, and thank you for all the hard work. And thank you for joining us here on Mississippi Live. I'm Emily Leonard. Have a great night.